Okay folks, thank you for being in another quick tips and tricks video. This is kind of a mini review of the Peak Design wash pouch. I recently got the full Peak Design travel backpack set, and it came with a tech pouch and the wash pouch, which is the DOPP kit of the bag. It's a pretty nice pouch. It has a hook, so you can hook it up to whatever you like to have the contents displayed to you, like this. That's one tiny drawback of this DOPP kit is the zipper gets stuck sometimes at this fabric over here. I know you can see it there. So as I was saying, you can hang it, and it'll display your stuff like this. And as a wet shaver, well, I need to carry, of course, my stuff, which is basically a little bit more than the usual person or not a wet shaver. So I have my razor. This is the slim adjustable. I have my travel brush, a styptic pen, and I have also some Parazzo balm. I have my toothpaste. I also have the pre-shave, an alum block, and I also have witch hazel here, which I don't really need too much when traveling. I have a deodorant, although I'm planning on getting something different than this. And I also have my tobacco. This used to be my travel soap. What I found is this little dispenser that has a pump action, so you can see it pumps, and the bottom cap over here start going up. So it's amazing. It works incredible. It works for liquids, and it also works for creams. This is Parazzo soap, and if you squirt it, I don't want to have to clean my hands, but I'm gonna show you. If you squirt it like this, see? So you can squirt a little bit and put it on your brush and make a lather. So it's pretty convenient for traveling. And I also have a little bit of my splash, my aftershave splash. So all is well. And as I was saying, it's a pretty nice DOPP kit. But I want to show you here real quick. This is a brick, literally a brick. And the more stuff you stuck in here, of course, the heavier it's gonna get. So, if you're traveling light and well, weight and size is a premium. I don't know. I was having second thoughts on bringing this with me, for example, on an airplane or something like that. So I was looking on the pouches that I have lying around, and since I'm a photographer, I had this pouch that was replaced by my Peak Design tech pouch. This is a Think Tank Powerhouse Air, and as you can see, well, it's really a fraction of the size of the Peak Design DOPP kit. So let's see if everything that I have in here fits in here. I'm not going to put in the deodorant and this witch hazel, which I also have witch hazel here, and my travel soap, because as I show you, I already have Parazzo soap cream on one of these containers. So what I'm going to do is going to First the hollow block, then the Paraso bone, then the razor on the top. Then on this side I'm going to put the travel brush, the 3 containers, pump containers. I can also fit on this side, on this side I can fit the styptic pencil, and on this side I can stick the toothpaste and the Paraso pre-shave. And as you can see, it's a little bit of a tight fit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move the brush to this side. There you go. Now it closes much better. Still a little bit tight. If I can shuffle and move things around, I think I can make it fit much better. Yeah, oh, I forgot to show you that I have a toothbrush here in this little magnetic pocket. But I also, when I bought the PAA travel scuttle, it came with this gift, which is a travel toothbrush, which has a tiny little bit of paste, which I don't really want to use unless it's necessary. But here you go, I have a travel toothbrush, and I can even fit on this side, I can even fit a tech razor, Gillette tech razor, in this nice leather pouch. So as you can see, and as much as I love Peak Design stuff, I think in this regard, I think I'm gonna pass on the DOPP kit, at least for air travel. You can see huge difference there. If I'm going to travel by car, well, I don't have any problem of bringing this one. In fact, this is my main DOPP kit. This only will be used for air travel. I don't think this was intended to be used as a DOPP kit, but well, you use the stuff you have for what you need, not for what it was originally designed for. And as you can see, it's clear, so you can see easily what you need. So there you go, guys. Just a quick tip for traveling with your wet shaving stuff.